If you have Vivo V50 5G smartphone and you want to hide your application, then this is the video for you. You don't have to download any third-party app. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy. Scroll down and then select app hiding. Now firstly you have to set a privacy password. You can set a 6-digit password or you can use other password types. Here I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Answer 2 security questions and then click on next. You can set your email address if you want, otherwise come back. It will show all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Enable swipe up 2 fingers on home screen to view hidden application. Now select the application you want to hide. For example, I want to hide my files. Click on confirm. Now as you can see in my app drawer, there is no files. If you want to access your hidden application, then simply come to your home screen and then swipe up by using 2 fingers like this. Draw your privacy password, click on add later, and then it will start showing your hidden application. So that's how you can hide your application in Vivo V50 5G.